Nummy, nummy. Okay. Nummy, nummy.
that my husband and I had was what was going to happen to our son when we were no longer here. Wounded Warrior Project is going to be there for the long haul. It provides such peace of mind to know that Alan's not in this alone.
To join the Advanced Yard Giving Program is very much appreciated. I just want to please don't stop giving. That kid is amazing.
I wish I could write a thank you letter to every American that has supported Wounded Warrior Project and the work that they do. They're changing lives.
Now is the time for healing and recovery. But many of these wounded service members can't do it alone. They need your help. And
Do a video visit.
Give me the prescription this afternoon. Does that work?
Soft office healthcare in DC.
The Criminal Minds Marathon, Wednesdays on Sundance.
you're all out of belly full. I think you and you guys a big thank you. Help yourself, but I figured you won't make much sense for another hour or so. Excuse me. If you need me, I'll be able to as well.
Confession, murder weapon? I owe you a drink.
Club soda on cheap day.
Hey, what did your partner do?
Oh, I'll make him happy buying a couple of floppy disks.
What's the other rubber? Megan?
I wouldn't bother. Doesn't work since we got out.
Michelle Case, Morrison Case, and one I'll be representing Miss Maslin Penjiwar.
Curtin James, assistant DA.
Has got any questions concerning my client will be directed to my office. This your case?
I'll be assisting Jack McCoy.
Jack. Oh, goody. Is he still pending, what's her name, the red hair?
Oh, no.
A serious one. Don't sweat it, sweetie. 10 more years in this business, even the tax code will break you up. What do you say? Tomorrow, 11 o'clock, Jack's office.
What on the night is the best of the victims? You can fast.
Everyone's entitled to ask for leniency before I send them on their way.
So now I don't think Miss Cates will go on gently.
Shelley's representing the Batman girl.
She's a real piece of work.
Don't kid yourself. Shelley